Here's the body-worn camera from the officer involved. This video is during the 90-second buffer period, and therefore a portion of the video does not have sound.
You're good.
I just had to activate. Hands!
Let's see your hands!
We're going to be the same apartment complex. I don't know the exact address. Dude just shot off a round. We were right here. He walked out, ran off, saw the gun in his hand. I fired.
Your hands in the air!
Where's the fucking gun? Where's the gun?
Okay, Freddie, please.